manifestation quotes to inspire you that could help you achieve your goals this year. Following the craziness of the year 2020 and 2021, it appears that we are all looking for a little positivity in our lives. Google searches for manifestation techniques have increased by an astounding 105%, according to data from Pinterest. Consider manifestation as the process of attracting something tangible into your life through the power of belief and attraction. It is similar to the widely accepted law of attraction, which is a philosophy associated with the New Thought movement, a mind-healing movement that originated in the United States in the 19th century and is based on religious and metaphysical concepts. The basic premise of this theory is that if you concentrate on the good and positive aspects of your life, you will attract more of those positive aspects into your life. On the other hand, if you spend a lot of time thinking about the negative, that's exactly what you'll attract into your life. A person's health, wealth, and personal relationships can all be improved through the process of like energy attracting like energy, according to the belief system. People and their thoughts are both made of pure energy, according to the belief system. Despite the fact that the term first appeared in print in the mid-19th century, it has gained widespread popularity in recent years thanks to books such as Rhonda Byrne's smash hit self-help book The Secret, which was published in 2006. Whether you're trying to manifest a promotion to your dream job or a happy and fulfilling romantic relationship, the following these manifestation quotes will help you get a little closer to what you want. Here we go. To accomplish great things we must not only act but also dream, not only plan but also believe. Anatole France. The law of attraction states that whatever you focus on, think about, read about, and talk about intensely, you're going to attract more of into your life. Jack Canfield. Ask for what you want and be prepared to get it. Maya Angelou. Imagination is everything. It is a preview of life's coming attractions. Albert Einstein. Once you make a decision, the universe conspires to make it happen. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Destiny is not a matter of chance, it's a matter of choice. Willem Jennings Bryan. Universe is not inside of you, look inside yourself. Everything that you want, you already are. Rumi. Our intention is everything. Nothing happens on this planet without it. Not one single thing has ever been accomplished without intention. Jim Carrey. The amount of time it takes to get from where you are to where you want to be is only the amount of time it takes you to change the vibration within you. Instant manifestation could be yours if you could instantly change your vibration. Abraham Hicks. Whatever you can do, or dream you can, begin it. Boldness has genius, power and magic in it. Begin it now. Johann Wolfgang von Goethe. When your primary function is to be happy, then whatever comes to you is irrelevant. Happiness is your true manifestation. Gabrielle Bernstein. The greatest discovery of my generation is that human beings can alter their lives by changing the attitudes of mind. William James. Every single second is an opportunity to change your life because in any moment you can change the way you feel. Rhonda Byrne. Keep your thoughts positive, because your thoughts become your words. Keep your words positive, because your behaviors become your habits. Keep your habits positive, because your habits become your values. Keep your values positive, because your values become your destiny. Gandhi. Be thankful for what you have, you'll end up having more. If you concentrate on what you don't have, you'll never have enough. Oprah Winfrey. What you think you can or can't, either way, you are right. Henry Ford. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you have imagined. Henry David Thoreau. Every great work, big accomplishment, it's been brought into manifestation through holding to the vision, and often just before the big achievement, comes apparent failure and discouragement. Florence Scovel Shinn. A person is what he or she thinks about all day long. Ralph Waldo Emerson. What you think, you create. What you feel, you attract. What you imagine, you become. Anonymous. By choosing your thoughts, and by selecting which emotional currents you will release and which you will reinforce, you determine the quality of your light. You determine the effects that you will have upon others and the nature of the experiences of your life. Gary Zukov. If you can dream it, you can do it. Walt Disney. To live your greatest life, you must first become a leader within yourself. Take charge of your life. Begin attracting and manifesting all that you desire in life. Sonia Riccati. Eliminate all doubt and replace it with the full expectation that you will receive what you are asking for. Rhonda Byrne. Action that is inspired from aligned thoughts is joyful action. Abraham Hicks. We become what we think about. Energy flows where attention goes. Rhonda Byrne. When you understand the laws, then you understand that it is not more difficult to create $10 million than $100,000. It is the same application of the same law to two different intentions. Abraham Hicks. Envision the future you desire. Create the life of your dreams. See it, feel it, believe it. Jack Canfield. You manifest what you believe, not what you want. Sonia Riccati. I attract into my life whatever I give my attention, energy, and focus to, whether positive or negative. Michael Lozier. We receive exactly what we expect to receive. John Holland. See yourself living in abundance and you will attract it. Rhonda Byrne. Imagination is everything. It is the preview of life's coming attractions. Albert Einstein. When you visualize, then you materialize. If you've been there in the mind, you'll go there in the body. Dr. Dennis Waitley. To bring anything into your life, imagine that it's already there. Richard Bach. When you are truly clear about what you want, the whole universe stands on tiptoe waiting to assist you in miraculous and amazing ways to manifest your dream or intention. Constance Arnold. Your life is the manifestation of your dream. It is an art, and you can change your life anytime that you're not enjoying the dream. Don Miguel Ruiz. You create your thoughts create your intentions, and your intentions create your reality. Dr. Wayne Dyer. Everything you want is out there waiting for you to ask. Everything you want also wants you. But you have to take action to get it. Jack Canfield. Every intention sets energy into motion, whether you are aware of it or not. Gary Zukov. The main event has never been the manifestation. The main event has always been the way you feel moment by moment, because that's what life is. Abraham Hicks. Whether you think you can or can't, either way, you are right. Henry Ford. I hope that these quotes about manifesting fill you with as much joy and inspiration as me. Let me know your favorite manifestation quotes if they didn't make the list. Can you name the quote that is repeated in this video? Comment below. If you loved this video, hit that like button. Make sure you share with all you know. Remember to subscribe and comment and let us know how these quotes impact you and your life. Unlimited Universe.